Good day folks, Dieter Baumann here. A nice and helpful feature of the GoPro are the shortcuts. These up to 4 little buttons on the rear screen. Let's take a look how to make best use and adjustment of them for your personal needs. With these shortcut buttons you can very fast change certain camera settings. Here on my rear screen, for example, I can change the speed here from normal speed to slow-mo 2 times, slow-mo 4 times, and the touchscreen sometimes is a little bit... Here I have the digital lens. I can change this also, goes through all. Here I have the stabilization. And here I have the exposure compensation. As you see now, if the functions of some of the buttons are in use, they are shown in blue color. To change the setup of each button, you can just tap and hold it, and you are in the concerning menu. Here you can scroll through and take some other setting, and you even can switch off this button. Now it's missing. If you want completely change the positions of the buttons or to recover this missing one, you have to go inside the settings, then go down to shortcuts, and here you see lower left, lower right, upper left, upper right, and lower left is off, and here I'm back and I can put, for example, duration, and it will have the duration. To go out of the menu, I just tap on the screen and I'm out, and I have my new setting here. I can do this separately for each of my presets. But to do it on the GoPro screen, it's a little bit time consuming, and also if the touchscreen doesn't respond very well, it's a little bit tricky. It's much better to do this in the Quick app, and I will show you this now. You just open the Quick app, then you say control your GoPro, it will connect your GoPro, and then you have two options. Here, with this symbol, you get in the general camera settings. We don't want to go there. And here down you have the current preset. We go here, we tap on the pencil, and here we have the mode settings and the shortcuts. And here I'm very comfortable, can go through all the possibilities of the shortcuts, and it's not such a fiddling with the rear screen of the GoPro. Here it works very easy, very nice. If you don't want the shortcuts at all, it's very easy to switch them off here. Just go on off, next one, off, next one, off, and the last one, off. And this is how it looks like on the GoPro now. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.